Imagine a place where the rhythm of reggae beats vibrate through the air. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts in the breeze, and the lush greenery paints a picture of paradise. Welcome to Kingston, the heart and soul of Jamaica, a city that moves to its own vibrant beat. Kingston, the capital of Jamaica, sits resplendently on the island's southeast coast, a melting pot of culture, history, and the undeniable spirit of its people. The city pulsates with energy, its streets humming with a rhythm that is as infectious as it is unique. At the epicenter of this rhythmic city lies the Bob Marley Museum, a tribute to the reggae legend who put Jamaica on the global music map. Housed in the singer's former residence, this museum is a pilgrimage site for music lovers. The walls echo with tales of Marley's life and his unparalleled contribution to music. It's not just a museum, it's a testament to a man whose music transcended borders and continues to inspire generations. A stone's throw away from the Bob Marley Museum is Devon House. This colonial-era mansion stands as a beacon of Jamaica's rich history. Each room is a time capsule, with period furnishings painting a vivid picture of life in bygone eras. But it's not just about the past. Devon House is also home to arguably the best ice cream on the island, a delightful treat that perfectly complements the journey through history. But the story of Kingston is not confined to its bustling city centre. Venture a little northeast, and the urban soundscape gives way to the serene symphony of nature. Here lie the Hope Botanical Gardens and Zoo, a sanctuary of native flora and fauna. It's a verdant oasis where the city's hustle and bustle seem a world away. Further northeast, the landscape morphs again, this time into the majestic Blue Mountains. This renowned coffee-growing region is a haven for adventurers and coffee aficionados alike. The trails lead to breathtaking waterfalls, and the air is filled with the aroma of some of the world's finest coffee. Kingston is a city of contrasts, a place where history and modernity coexist, where the sounds of the city blend seamlessly with the tranquility of nature. From the reggae-infused energy of the Bob Marley Museum to the colonial charm of Devon House, from the lush tranquility of the Hope Botanical Gardens and Zoo to the aromatic allure of the Blue Mountains, Kingston is a city that has something for everyone. To sum it up, Kingston is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a journey through a rich tapestry of history, culture, music, and nature. It's a place that pulses with life, a city that invites you to lose yourself in its rhythm and discover the essence of Jamaica. This is Kingston, a city that moves to the beat of its own drum. So come and explore the rhythm of Kingston, where every corner has a story to tell. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.